Welcome to our review of WD-40 Bike Dry Lube, a popular chain lubricant for bicycles. In this video, we'll give you an overview of this product, share our experience with it, and help you decide whether it is the right choice for your cycling needs. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started. WD-40 Bike Dry Lube is a specially formulated lubricant designed to keep your bicycle's chain clean and running smoothly in dry and dusty conditions. It is made with a wax-based formula that creates a protective barrier on your chain and helps prevent dirt, grime, and debris from accumulating on it. This lubricant is also waterproof, so it won't wash off in the rain or during wet rides. We tested Bike Dry Lube on several different bicycles in various conditions, including dry and dusty trails, as well as wet and muddy rides. Here are our thoughts on its performance. Easy to apply. We found lube very easy to apply. The nozzle makes it easy to apply the lubricant to your chain, and the wax-based formula spreads easily and evenly. Long-lasting. We were impressed by the longevity of this lubricant. It remained on the chain even after several rides, and we did not need to reapply it as frequently as other lubricants we have used. Clean chain. The wax-based formula of lube helped to keep your chains clean and free from dirt and debris. This was particularly noticeable on dry and dusty rides, where we would typically expect more buildup on the chain. Waterproof. The waterproof nature of this lubricant was a huge plus for us. It held up well during wet rides and did not wash off, leaving our chains protected and lubricated throughout the ride. Quieter chain. We noticed that our chains were quieter and smoother after applying lube. The lubricant helped to reduce friction and noise, making for a more pleasant and enjoyable ride. Overall, we were very impressed with WD-40 Bike Dry Lube. It is a high-quality lubricant that is easy to apply, long-lasting, and effective at keeping your chain clean and running smoothly. While it may be a bit more expensive than some other lubricants on the market, we believe it is worth the investment for the quality and performance it provides. So, if you are looking for a reliable and effective chain lubricant for your bicycle, we highly recommend giving WD-40 Bike Dry Lube a try. We hope this review has been helpful, and thank you for watching.